Hey everyone, this is David B, and let me show you what just came in the mail. The Lord of the Rings by J.R.R. Tolkien in a 3-volume book set. These are published by HMH Books and cost about $20 on Amazon. Now, this channel is called English Stories with David B, and I tell many of my own stories, but of course, when we're thinking of English stories, The Lord of the Rings is one of the most iconic and one of the most famous English works of fiction ever written. And I'm a little embarrassed to say that I've never actually read these books. I started to read the first one and got maybe 100 or 150 pages in, I can't remember, but I never finished it. And I've also never seen the movies because I like to wait to watch movies until I've read the books. So it's gone on for like 15 years now that I've never actually completed the books or watched the movies. But that's all going to change now. So let me take these books out and we can take a look at them. They fit really tightly into the box. I read the one review on Amazon said that they're hard to get back in the box once you've started to read them. But take a look at these covers. Just really, really cool. Second volume, The Two Towers. And the third, The Return of the King. So just really nice books. These feel like pretty good quality paperbacks. I'll show you the size of the text on the pages. So fairly small text. In total, the books are about 1,300 pages total for the story, plus some appendices at the end. So my goal with these books is to finish them all before I move to Rochester, New York, which will be at the end of February. So I did the math, and if I read 2 chapters a day, or approximately 40 pages a day, I'll be able to finish these in 31 days. That gives me a little bit of leeway there at the end. But that's my plan, to basically over the next month read 2 chapters a day and finish this book series finally. I'm also considering making videos as I read through these books just to be like a first-time reaction. So maybe every day after I've read 2 chapters, make a video explaining. I'm not sure if I have the time and the energy and the want to do that, but we'll see. Once I start reading, let me see if I have enough thoughts and enough to share to make daily videos as I go through this series. And let me know in the comments, have you ever read The Lord of the Rings, and what do you think about it? This is David B. Thanks for watching.